For decades, computers have followed the same fundamental principles, using bits which exist as either 0 or 1 to process information. This binary system has powered everything from simple calculators to artificial intelligence. But as problems become more complex, traditional computers are reaching their limits. The next revolution in computing is here, and it's called quantum computing. Unlike classical computers, quantum computers use qubits, which don't just exist as 0 or 1, they can exist as both at the same time through a property called superposition. Imagine flipping a coin, where classical bits are like a coin landing on heads or tails. Qubits are like a coin spinning in the air, existing in multiple states until it is observed. This ability allows quantum computers to process millions of calculations at once, performing tasks that would take classical computers thousands or even millions of years in just minutes. But that's not the only mind-blowing property of quantum mechanics. Another key feature is entanglement, where two qubits become connected, no matter how far apart they are. If one qubit's state changes, the other instantly reflects that change, even if they are light years away. This bizarre phenomenon allows quantum computers to perform tasks at speeds we can't even imagine. But how does this power translate into real-world applications? That's where things get interesting. Scientists believe quantum computing will revolutionize medicine, cryptography, artificial intelligence, and materials science. Imagine simulating complex molecules to discover new medicines in a matter of hours instead of decades. Quantum computing could help crack genetic codes, leading to cures for diseases that seem incurable today. It could also break modern encryption, making traditional cybersecurity useless and forcing the world to develop new, quantum-proof security systems. Companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are racing to achieve quantum supremacy, the point where quantum computers outperform the best classical supercomputers in real-world tasks. In 2019, Google made history by solving a problem in 200 seconds that would have taken the most powerful supercomputer 10,000 years. But as promising as this technology sounds, it's still in its infancy. Quantum computers require extreme conditions to operate, including temperatures colder than outer space. Maintaining quantum states is incredibly difficult, and researchers are working on making quantum systems more stable and accessible. However, if these challenges are overcome, quantum computing could reshape our world in ways we can't even imagine. But could it also bring unforeseen risks? In Part 2, we'll explore the dangers and ethical concerns that come with this revolutionary technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonderworld for more mind-blowing discoveries. Quantum computing has the potential to transform our world, but with great power comes great responsibility. While the benefits are incredible, there are also serious risks and challenges that could create global security threats, economic disruptions, and even ethical dilemmas. One of the biggest concerns is cybersecurity. Modern encryption methods protect everything from financial transactions to government communications. These encryption systems rely on the difficulty of solving complex mathematical problems, a task that would take classical computers thousands of years. However, a fully functional quantum computer could crack these encryptions in seconds, making every password, banking system, and classified government document completely vulnerable. This has triggered what experts call the quantum arms race. Governments and tech giants are pouring billions of dollars into quantum research, trying to develop the technology before their rivals. If quantum computing falls into the wrong hands, it could lead to cyber attacks at an unprecedented scale, where criminals or rogue states could break into any system with ease. Another concern is economic disruption. Quantum computers could revolutionize industries like finance, allowing traders to predict stock market trends with near-perfect accuracy. While this might sound beneficial, it could lead to massive financial inequalities, where those who control quantum technology dominate global economies. Smaller businesses and individuals could be left behind, creating a new digital divide between the quantum elite and everyone else. Beyond economics and security, ethical concerns arise. With quantum computing's ability to simulate complex biological processes, it could help design life-saving medicines and even engineer human DNA. But where do we draw the line? If quantum AI can create solutions faster than human scientists, who decides how these discoveries are used? Could quantum computing be used to genetically modify humans or develop bioweapons? Despite these risks, researchers are already working on solutions. Scientists are developing quantum-safe encryption methods, which could protect data even in a world where quantum computers exist. Ethical discussions about the responsible use of quantum computing are gaining momentum, with governments and organizations pushing for regulations before the technology becomes widespread. The question remains, will quantum computing become humanity's greatest tool for progress, or will it create challenges we aren't prepared for? One thing is certain, the quantum revolution is coming, and the world needs to be ready. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest mind-blowing discoveries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonder World.